Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to remove subtitles from a video using CapCut. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your mobile device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, this is the sample video that I'll be working with. As you can see, there's a caption or subtitle, right? So, in order for you to remove the subtitles, just go ahead and click in all of the subtitles and click on the delete option at the upper part or at the middle part of your screen right here. Or you can just go ahead and click on backspace. Okay, so just go ahead and do that in all of the subtitles. And then once you've done that, that should remove all of the subtitles on your video. Okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.